Hello and welcome to a demonstration of MediaPulse. In this video, we will go over how to access MediaPulse tutorial videos. Hover your mouse over the settings icon to expose a drop-down window, giving you access to several user setting options. When you select tutorials, you will be able to access many helpful videos. As you can see, we have a few different types of videos to watch. MediaPulse version 9 videos, tips and tricks, and webinars. We also have some videos on past versions. For more tips and tricks on MediaPulse, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@xytechsystems.com.